Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling.This whole month talking about traveling. I love to travel. Alice, 你应该也很喜欢旅游吧，对不对？
对啊。
这个出外旅游呢，现在呢在台湾呢很方便，就是可以坐高铁，对不对？坐完高铁之后可以怎么样？租车去深入其他的地方。So renting a car is becoming even more popular now. 现在在台湾租车的人越来越多了。
对，
所以今天来教教跟租车有关的一些智慧。
好，
一开始当然就可能会问说，我要租一天的车子 ，I need to rent a car for a day.
我要租一日嘅茶。
我要租 that means I need to rent 一日嘅茶。
Yeah.
茶 that's
车子。
不是要喝茶哦，是茶车子 that's a car, alright? Sounds like tea, but it's actually a car. 有时候可能是2天呢，那2天怎么说呢？2日。2日 ，OK 就变得我要租2日嘅茶。
对。
I'm pretty good at this now without Alice's help.
那2天的海陆腔2日。
2日跟
6日。
Okay, that's a different dialect for 2 days. And sometimes maybe 3 days. 那3天的话怎么说呢？3日。3日 Okay, so it's either 1日、6日 or 3日
Yeah!
There you go. Depending on how many days you want to rent your car. Okay, when you rent your car, you're going to ask if the gas tank is filled up. 因为这也很重要，像油钱也不便宜啊，对不对？所以租车的时候要注意哦，要知道说你租的时候到底是不是加满油。
对对对。
好， so you're going to ask, is the gas tank filled up?油已经加满了吗？
油加黏膜。
油就讲有一次有就好啦，干嘛油？
不是，油就是油已经。
真的吗？
加黏膜加满了吗
？Are you serious? That's so funny. 油其实是油已经。That means the gas has been. All right, 油
加黏膜。
That means
加满吗
？Filled up the tank. 这我喜欢讲这句话。All right, and at the end of the session, you're probably going to ask, how much does this cost? All right, 这样费用一共是多少钱呢？
按用费用一共係幾多？
一共係幾多？ That means 一共多少錢？
對
Right? How much for all this? All right, 按用費用一共係幾多？ That's it, and that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼太講？
俺子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.